We're taking this 5 blades and we're replacing with 3 blades. Comes off. And it's just gonna hook up. Camera receiver here. Light goes in black. Put this bracket on. Make sure you do the DC. It's very quiet. The Tuya Smart Life app. Make sure your fan's on when it's searching. So we're taking this 52-inch Baja fan with 5 blades and we're replacing with 3 blades. Okay. So first thing you want to do is turn off the breaker to this fan here before you start working on it. I got a electric pen tester here to make sure there's no power or electric current still going through. So it looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on it. Take off this cover here, and there's 2 little bolts here. You just take it off, one on each side here. Like, so I'm gonna take this one off. See that? Unscrew that one, and there's another one on this side here. Okay. And there's one on this side. See that? Right there. And it pops right off, just like that. Next you want to do, unplug this here. Super easy. Now you want to take off now you want to take off the blades here. And the blades, you can see that you roll around here and it gives you a little slot here to take off the screw. So right in here, there's 2 screws. And you just unscrew counterclockwise. And this fan has 5 blades, so you're gonna have to do it 5 times. Okay, and then you got one on this side. Let's switch with a flat here. You want to push it up a little bit while you do it because there's so much pressure. It makes almost like it's gonna strip the bolt. So you want to, and it comes, voila, off just like that. Next you want to do is take this cover off. See, it just pops right off. It's got these 2 channels right here. You just pop that off. And then, you see these 2 bolts here? You just kind of rotate it into the slot. Okay, see these 2 bolts? Counterclockwise. Slide right off here. I got one off, and the other one, you're gonna have to screw it off. So I'm gonna use a screwdriver. Let's see if I can screw it off here. You might have to get a short one, but and it's working here. I might not have to need one. Okay, you see it? Oh, okay, voila. Spider web. Now again, I'm gonna take my electric pen tester just to double check one more time here. It's always good to double check, guys. And no electric, so I'm good. Continue back working. All right, so now you see how this is all connected. I'm gonna go ahead. Smart thing to do, guys, next, take a picture of it. So if you ever wire wrong, wherever, you know what goes where, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, just like if you're taking a selfie. Different angles, okay? You got your ground, you got your power, you got your white, you got your blue, is your controller, you can see, okay? Your black is your ground, okay? So, we're gonna unhook all this stuff here, fun stuff. Just once you unhook it, you can loosen it. And it's gonna come right down here, guys. White, white. Pretty simple, pretty easy. If you know how to do light switch, you see my other videos. They're all pretty similar. They have ground wire, neutral wire. And power here. Oh, let's see, we got everything. We got one more here. What's this one? This is your ground wire. See that? Ground wire, ground wire. Okay. So this is okay. So we got that hooked. Now all you gotta do is, you see that? You lift that up. Did you get that? We get the angle. You see this right here, guys? It's like a ball. You just lift this up and it comes right off. Voila. Make sure you got help because that bad boy's heavy. All right. And see the wires connected. Connected, connected. All right. Here's your ground, your power. And this is your, looks like your switch. Okay. Voila. That's it. All right. I got my trophy for the day. All right, so we're gonna put the new vise cover up here, and you might be able to use the same fixture. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off first. All right, I'm gonna take these bolts off, loosen it. I'm gonna loosen these bolts up and rotate this fixture so it comes off. And then let's see if it's the same. I don't think it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this old one off. Okay. So take this old one off. It comes off like this, just real easy, guys. Make sure your fan can hold your ceiling, or your fixture up here can hold the weight of the fan. Most fans are about 70 pounds is what is required, because when it starts spinning too, you're gonna add some little bit wind velocity and weight on it. So it goes on like this here. Take it off, take it off. All right, I need to move up one more stair here. And you can tell if your ceiling's made for it or not. If not, you're gonna have to get a fixture to modify it. Okay. And here, this goes. So I'm just gonna put these on top. This right here. Let me go grab the bolt for it. Okay, so we got the ground, we got the power. Let's separate them all and make it easy peasy to read. Push this up a little bit. So this came with a 5-inch, 10-inch, and a 15-inch. We're gonna go ahead and use the 5-inch. We want some up against the ceiling, pretty much close as possible. You got your ground wire. See that? All right, that looks better, right? Okay. Now, where's the other cover? This cover goes in next. Okay, and then now the shaft. And it comes this. All right. It's gonna be a little hard because it's short, but we can do it. Put the pin in here. There's a pin, there it goes. Come on. There it goes. Pop the pin through. Yeah. Okay. And this is gonna hook up right on the side here. Yeah. Get all the wires on one side. Just like that, guys. Okay. So ground with ground, green and green. When you wire these, you want to make sure it's all nice, organized on one side, like the green and green. So this camera receiver here, guys, so you plug these wires in here. Hopefully it can fit in the junction box, but I think it will be able to. Okay. So you got your 3 ground here. All these 3 are ground. Actually, might need a bigger one, but this one works. This is your antenna, so you don't want to do anything with that. This is your black wire. Black goes with black. Oh, there it goes. Ooh. And put this through, and then I'm gonna put the antenna over here. So here's your black. Okay, now red. What's red? What's red? Where are you at? Red. Red. Good. Tight. All right. I think that's it. We got it. All right. That was a tuck. Okay. Now you just tighten this up a little bit. All right, looks good. Double check everything. Bam, bam. The pin's in. Now we'll put the blades on. So next we're gonna start a blade. Okay, gotta put this bracket on. You go ahead and start it. And put the light on. This is the LED light, look at that. All the little LEDs in there. And you just connect the connector right on here. Ooh, there it goes. I thought they didn't give enough wires, but this goes. Let me put this back here. Okay, so the connect goes right here. Let's do here. There it goes. Oh, got it. Okay. Pop them on there. And this is only thing is this is plastic, so but I'm sure you can get glass if you want to. And voila. So here I'm gonna give you a demo here. Here's the remote control, hit the power. Again, this is a DC, it's very quiet. You can see how it, before it starts, it goes back and then, but you can't even hear it. Hear that? That's actually low speed. The old fan we had, you can actually hear it, hear the motor running. So it's kind of annoying when you're watching a movie or listening to music or whatever. Or even sleeping on a couch, you can hear it. Taking a nap or whatever, on the couch, you can hear it humming. But this one, super quiet. You can hear nothing. Now, let's check the speed out. Okay. And here's the LED. It's telling you the speed. Well, actually, it looks like we're mid. And still, you can't hear anything. You just can just hear the wind. And it almost max out. And look at that baby go. Now you can hear it. It's actually really fast. Wow. But very stable. Yeah, this is, we're actually going reverse right now, but you can turn reverse and then back to low. We like to have it on low because you can feel the air circulating. And we got a fireplace, as you've seen earlier, right here in the living room. The light, nice, very nice. You can see, super bright. And you can change the light from warm light to like blue light. Let me see how you do this here. Yeah, different color. We like the warm light because it's more like for bedtime, you know, the warm light. And then here they have a built-in, you actually do like winter. You click this and it actually goes in winter mode and then summer mode here, so it turns counterclockwise. Okay, to hook it on the app, okay, you got to download the Tuya Smart Life app. So let's download that. And of course, you got to create your account and everything. Click on that Tuya, I believe that's how you pronounce it. We'd like to send you notification. We don't like notification, right? Critical alerts, yes. Log in or sign up in this case, because this is a new account, so I'm gonna sign up. And let me do all that fun stuff first, and I'll jump back in here. Looks like I'm in. So it's got AI, looks like it. Now we just gotta link it to our fan. So you hit the plus, I believe, add device. And then request and found location, local network, Bluetooth. Okay, look at that. Found our home, so smart. Allow, so now it's gonna allow. Allowed, home data, and searching. You wanna make sure your fan's on when it's searching. So I think it runs on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, or it might be a little bit higher, so it may not pick it up.